Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AN post transaction not working. First, refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen, swipe it away completely, wait for a few hours, reopen it. Then, sometimes transactions may take a moment to appear. Then check your internet connection, make sure that it is stable. A poor connection can prevent your account from updating. Then log out of the app and log back in to refresh your account's data. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the AN Post Track and manage, and make sure to update your app to the latest version from the official App Store only. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the transactions still do not appear, wait for a few hours as some packing transactions take time to process. That's how you fix the AN post transaction not showing. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.